steering column installation on the 32 Ford, and some updated parts on the Cobra coming up. Good afternoon, YouTubers. Well, we've been at it again on this 32, trying to get some things done on it. Just a very quick video today to show you what we've gotten done. Let's take a look at this. Okay, if you'll forgive all of the mess in the floor and all my tools and everything that I've been using here to install this, as you can see, we have the steering column installed. It is a bare metal look, but I've clear coated it, so it'll look like this, give it kind of an industrial look. The steering wheel, as noted in a previous video, just sitting in there right now, but as you can see here, come out here, I've got the engine pulled back out of it to do some more measurements that comes through there. All I need is a double D U-joint and a double D piece of pipe to go and connect those two, and that'll be that. Try to get some light on the subject. There's a little bit better look of how everything goes right there. Some of the next things I'm going to be doing, back out of this, go around here. The body's about to come off because we have to mount that. That is the brake pedal. It's going to weld on right under there, and it's going to go into the firewall right around in this area right here. Floor mounted. We were going with manual brakes, so it should be fairly simple and straightforward. Also on the 32, we're doing some mocking up on this. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I've had to come in here with some piping there for the air conditioning condenser ins and outs. Got the you bend it yourself stuff. It's going to come out right there. This has been clearanced as well to make room for everything, so there we go. The grill and everything fits in. And this is all mocked up, about ready to bolt together. The next thing I have to do is make some mounts to mount the shell hard to the radiator, and then the grill, of course, just as a matter of drilling some holes here and on the other side as well, and some bolts go in there and mount those in place. It's just where these crossbars here, it mounts hard in 4 places right there, and there. So as you can see, it's starting to come together. Update on the Cobra's process, just very quickly. I've gotten the bell housing for the transmission. As you can see there, I've got the clutch and flywheel and all those things underway. Got the valve covers, the intake, water pump, all of that stuff mounted up. Harmonic balancers on the engine as well. We're just trying to get ready for the Cobra's arrival, which I'm not exactly sure when it'll be, but hopefully within the next few weeks. Progress is slow and steady. Really hot out here, as I'm sure you're quite aware. Everybody's going through a heat wave right now. About 102, it's been over 100 degrees about 40 days this year so far, which is almost a record. We're supposed to have more 100-degree temperature, and it's supposed to drop down and get real cool next Tuesday or Wednesday. It's supposed to get down to 93 degrees. I'm kind of looking forward to that. Never thought I'd hear myself say that I'd be looking forward to 93 degrees, but had about enough of 100-degree temperatures. What can I say? Well, that's what I got for you today. Thank you for joining me. Be sure and stay tuned. Got more stuff to come.